Urban garden plots, cultivating green spaces in the city. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines nature, sustainability, and community within our urban landscapes. We'll explore the concept of urban garden plots, a key element in bringing greenery and agriculture into the heart of our cities. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone curious about urban gardening, this video will shed light on why these green spaces are so important and how they contribute to city life. Urban garden plots are small sections of land in cities designed for the cultivation of plants and vegetables. These plots can be found on rooftops, balconies, empty lots, or even in public parks. They serve as a bridge between city dwellers and the natural world, offering a slice of gardening space in areas where personal gardens might not be feasible. Urban gardening is not just about beautifying the city but also about promoting sustainability, food security, and creating a sense of community among residents. Urban garden plots bring a myriad of benefits to both individuals and the community at large. They allow residents to grow their own fruits and vegetables, leading to healthier eating habits and reduced grocery bills. These gardens also play a crucial role in environmental conservation by increasing greenery, reducing urban heat islands, and promoting biodiversity. On a social level, they foster community engagement, provide educational opportunities, and create spaces for relaxation and mental well-being. Getting involved in urban gardening might seem daunting at first, but there are several ways to start. Many cities offer public garden plots that can be rented for a season. Joining a community garden is another great option, allowing you to collaborate with neighbors and share the responsibilities and rewards of gardening. For those with limited space, container gardening on balconies or windowsills is an excellent alternative. Remember, every little bit helps in contributing to the urban ecosystem. Urban garden plots are more than just patches of earth in the city. They are vibrant, living spaces that enrich our urban environments in countless ways. By participating in urban gardening, you're not only cultivating plants but also nurturing community, sustainability, and a deeper connection to the natural world. We hope this video inspires you to explore the possibilities of urban gardening in your own city. Happy gardening, everyone! Remember, learning English or any new concept is like planting a seed in one of these urban garden plots. With care, patience, and effort, it will grow into something beautiful and rewarding. See you in our next video.